Package height 10. 668 centimeters. Package length 1. 524 centimeters. Package width 7. 62 centimeters. Product type car electronics. Country of origin China. Top reviews from the United States. Quality great value. Great buy if you use these in bulk. These are significantly cheaper than what you pay for packs at auto parts stores or hardware stores. The quality appears to be no different than what you can buy in stores. As with any crimp, the quality of the crimper used can drastically affect the quality and durability of the crimp, but I've had no problem using these with my Kline crimper.